Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set your offset. So first of all, please make sure that you open it also like so, and then click on this circle and then click on options, and from here you go all the way down to and search for adjust offset. Let me check for it. It's somewhere like here offset adjustment, which is gonna be right below the sound option, which is here, and then go a little bit below and you will be able to see it. If it doesn't appear for you, you can just go up there, and here you can click on this one, and after that type offset, and you will be able to see it. From here you can change it, like dragging this up and down, but for me I will keep it right as it is, which is -2 it was, but it's kind of hard to choose the right answer, the right position anyway. And the other way to adjust it, which is click on offset widget, and from here we'll get these options like this text right here. You can use up and down keys or mouse wheel to change the offset, and the universal offset will be updated on leaving this wheel. So if you change anything like by clicking up and down keys or your mouse wheel, everything will be updated right after you quit this page. You don't have, like, there is no saving button. You just after you leave this page, it will be adjusted automatically. Also, there is these options right here in the top left corner, which is half tick and double tick. The double tick has one option, which is, let's just click on double tick. It will be so much faster, as you can see. And the half tick, it has two options: the half tick only and the tick on other beats. As you can see, they become much more slower. So yeah guys, that was the video, and thank you for watching.